Do you want to know the number one reason why women with PCOS try and fail at healing pesky symptoms like acne, unwanted hair, irregular cycles, and excess weight time and time again? Hi, my name's Tam Woods, and in this 3-minute video, I'm going to share with you my number one reason why so many women struggle with their PCOS. Like so many women, I've been through hell and back with my PCOS symptoms, finally fixing my skin, cycle, and fertility after 10 years of working out the secret to hormonal health. Since then, I've helped thousands of women heal their worst PCOS symptoms. I've put everything I've learned from working with thousands of women with PCOS into my book, The PCOS Repair Protocol, which you can get when you click the link below. And so, what is the number one reason why women fail at healing their PCOS symptoms? They have no idea what the cause of their PCOS symptoms is. Sounds obvious, right? But so many women try to treat their symptoms, like acne for example, and not what's actually driving these symptoms. What you may not know is that there are 4 root causes or types of PCOS, and understanding yours is critical to long-term symptom relief. Over the next 2 minutes, I'm going to teach you my PCOS Repair Protocol, which is an evidence-based system that treats the root cause of your PCOS and not just your symptoms. The system works like this. Step 1. Reduce androgens for symptom relief. In women with PCOS, high levels of androgens, or male hormones like testosterone, contribute to the frustrating symptoms. In the short term, blocking the effects of excess androgens can help with symptom relief in as little as 48 hours. Step 2. Discover your unique root cause. This is a critical step where you uncover exactly what the cause of your PCOS symptoms are. Step 3. Heal your root cause. Once you have a clearer idea of what is driving your symptoms, it's time to develop an individualized protocol based on your PCOS type. Step 4. Connect and support. The final step of the PCOS Repair Protocol is to join a supportive community to ensure that you have everything you need to stay on track. Step 4 is an important step because you are not alone in this. There are millions of women out there who are with you on this journey. It is crucial to have the support of a community behind you on your journey, and you do not want to have to figure this all out on your own. So what I've done is gone ahead and put everything into the PCOS Repair Protocol book that you can get when you click the link below. And when I say everything, I truly mean everything. I will walk you through step by step how to heal your PCOS symptoms forever using my evidence-based protocol. Click the link to learn more about the PCOS Repair Protocol book. I've created a separate video going into full details about the book and the incredible bonuses that you get when you pick your copy up. The best part is the PCOS Repair Protocol book comes with a full lifetime money-back guarantee. You can get the book and get your money back at any time if you aren't satisfied. So click the link to get your copy of the PCOS Repair Protocol book now. There are only limited copies available, so click the link to learn more and get yours today.